Whoa, whoa, SSG fam, SSG fam, SSG fam. Hi, I'm back. It's Simply Shay, and I'm back with another video. You heard me? Third day of the 7 days of seafood. Get into the platter. Salads, shrimp, fish. Yep, I got some chicken and some fries on the side. I'm trying this for my drink for the first time. It's grown folks night. Bam, get into it. And of course, y'all know I got my agua. I always stay hydrated. Let's get a sip. Let's get a sip. I got some ranch from fish. I don't like hot sauce, so yes, mine is cheap. Boom, Fiesta brand hot sauce. And I got my girlfriend with me. I'm finna introducing my girlfriend, the one I'm in love with, always. Hi, Isolina. I love it. It's nice. Okay, y'all. I'm going to do this prayer so we can eat. Heavenly Father, I want to thank you for a day that's not promising any one of us, Lord. I want to thank you for my night after strength. I want to thank you for the food that's in front of me, Lord. Let it be nourishment to my body and on the harmful to me. In Jesus' name, I pray that you bless. Amen. Amen. Amen and amen and amen. Hey, let's get into it. Oh, mama. What? Can you bring me some ketchup? Hey, y'all. I missed y'all. What y'all doing? I got my eyes on today. Y'all be trying to do videos one. I'm trying. I can't see. You know, y'all nothing. Oh, look, y'all. Y'all, I love these salads right here in the bag. Look. It already come made up. It got all the ingredients in there. And it look like some little dressing too. Yeah, don't sleep on it. I don't know what it's called. Look again. Don't sleep on it. Get you one. Walmart. And I like ranch, so I just adds a little ranch on mine because, damn, I can't never get the ranch out right. Don't y'all hate that? You trying to spread some ranch and, you know, it don't come out as right like you wanted to. Yeah, my mom had wanted some chicken, so I had fried her some little drummies. You can't ever go wrong with chicken. It's my third day of seafood, so I want to switch it up. And our topic is going to be the woes of dating, but we're going to eat first, y'all. Tell me about y'all day down in the comments. What y'all do today? Y'all miss me? Oh, I'm like my mama. This chicken is good. Mm-hmm. Uh-uh. Mm. 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 Okay. Oh, that's good. I'm getting nothing out. I missed y'all. How y'all been? What y'all doing? It's Saturday. Yeah, it was Friday. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, but normally on Fridays we have Mama Daughter Day, Sister Day. Y'all was so sad, cause they in love, y'all. So you know they was with their men's. Well, not Keisha. I don't know what she was doing, but Riri and Tim, I missed them. I'm so bored. Hold on. Why do you need that in the lettuce? Like, why? But y'all, I was so bored. I missed them. My mom missed them too because she ain't do nothing. She ain't come out the room. She be acting like she be all right. Y'all know y'all might miss y'all. Y'all know she don't care when you lose. You supposed to be in love. Look now. She would bring me this Hunt's. Damn, this ketchup you eat. I know I'm put it on the side. But I'm gonna dip my fries on. I'm gonna dip my fries on it too, y'all. Whew, y'all. I love when shrimp ain't never cooked. They be so good. But let's get into a piece of this fish. It's fried so nice and purdy. It's so nice and purdy. Get some. Open mouth. Big and wide. Got it? Okay. I'll tell y'all be cooking. I know how to cook. Oh. But you ever got dressing? Oh. I can't see none of that dressing again. That shit's good. So fam, y'all say hey. Y'all say I love me, y'all. Let's make sure. But before we get started, if you haven't already and you already here, just stop what you're doing, put your fork down, because every time I do a video and I got my food, I come on, pause me, get your food so we can eat together. So put your fork down, hit the subscribe button, like this. Do it. Bam. See that little bell on the side? It look grayish. Boom. Hit that. So you can be notified every time I make a new video without me have to let you know that I already say, bing, Shay is on. And don't forget to like, share, and comment, because I do comment back. But for real, I do, y'all, comment back. So I ain't got nothing to do with my life boring. Right now, I ain't got no life. I ain't got no love life, no pain life, no. It's just me, my kids, and my grandkids, and my sisters. So, help me out here. But the woes of dating, y'all. I mean, what's the rules now? Because people say when you're single, again, if y'all just, sorry, y'all some hurt. If y'all just join the fam, I might got a boyfriend. I think I got a boyfriend, but I don't know because I be have to ask him. But when I try to move on and somebody tell him about it, he get real mad. Then we go through. So look, it's 2020. And I tell him I ain't asking no questions this year. You disappear. Back to the subject. The woes of dating. Because I'm finna do what? I just need to get ready for when I start, ready to date. Because right now, I ain't ready. I am not good. I can tell y'all one side. Dating is a headache. Because look, you gotta remember what people said, what they like, what they don't like. Her, for instance, since I like him and her, if you know how many baby daddies you got, do you got kids? Do you still, do you do men too? And, and him, do you like men? Do you like me too, men and women the same thing? Are you a pedophile? You gonna try to touch my kids? Are you a serial killer? Are you gonna try to kill me? Are you gonna try? I mean, look at her. Let me put my glass up so y'all can see. Can I get some warning labels? Can the new dating generations in 2020 come with warning? Go the other way right now. You know, can I get that? Like, for real. So I don't got time. I am am I 42, right? I am 42. Okay. I'm 3. See, this because I done lied so much in my damn life, I don't know the age. I ain't got time. I just tell me at the beginning of the day, you know, I just want you to suck my little, you know, him or her thing or whatever. You know, let me know so I can know if I agree with what you talking about and we can agree to disagree and we're going to go on. But I don't got time to just be telling me what you told Katrina and them. No, and you forgot that one man. I just want somebody to come with the real. You know, you tell me a little bit about your life, but not all that sad part. You know, don't come to me with your sad story. When I say, why you single? Oh, I'm single because I'm a good person. Just let me know if you single because you was a cheater, but you made think that it was just them, and then they do what you do and you get mad and you can't, you know, let me know if you one of them. Because sometimes I can be one of them. I used to be one of them. I promise you, I ain't finna sit here and lie to y'all. We fam. I'm gonna tell y'all all my problems, all my flaws. I was a liar, a manipulator. Ooh, I was so conniving, but I was so good. I'm for real. I don't know how to trust. I don't trust nobody. I don't give a damn. I don't believe nothing nobody say. That's all people do, tell you a story. They need to write some country music. They say country music, you know, you tell a story. Write some music on this story. Because this shit be lies, lies, lies. Because I don't tell them. So I'ma know. I don't want no snake in the grass no more. I'm tired of them. I want a real relationship. I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to listen this time. I'm going to do what you say Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But I ain't going to be no cheater, though. But I'm going to listen. For real. For real. Y'all, tell whoever watching, y'all hear me find my, him or her, tell them I'm going to listen to what they say this time. I ain't going to argue back. Let me not lie. Now, if I know my point is valid and right now, because I'm saying something. And if you try to keep on going down the road, try to make me think that I'm goddamn loud, I don't know what I'm talking about, and the evidence is presented, we got receipts. And I don't even keep them. But I'm going to have them this time. I ain't playing. I had about 5 Valentine dates in my inbox. Where? One of them something, Kingston, Jamaica, something, Jamaica. Girl, who? Girl, lay down. Quit playing. What we gonna do? Dance through the camera. Baby, I don't want to, I'm making me somebody in Dallas, and we can travel. But I'm smart. Can you come down to Phoenix, Arizona, and try me? I know I cannot. New York, none of them. Texas, Dallas, and the surrounding areas. I go to the boat. Oklahoma, Shreveport, but baby, quit playing. I'm not coming to you. City or state. I'm not. But I'm willing to make travel plans together with you right here